So let's start with what is current. Current is a flow of electrical charge, usually electrons. So what is current? Current is a flow of charge. Charge means electron through a circuit, that is called as currents. For example, this is a circuit. It will have a positive terminal and a negative terminal. So the flow of electrons in this circuit is called as current. Okay, and the unit of current is ampere. Then the next concept is voltage. What is voltage? So the difference in electric potential between 2 points is called as voltage. So if in this circuit, so this is a circuit, so if we have to measure voltage between these 2 points, so the voltage will be, if we consider this V1 and this V2, so it will be V1 minus V2 or V2 minus V1. Considering the sign convention, we use either V1 or V2. And this is what voltage is. Voltage is a electrical potential difference between 2 points. So these 2 points will have some difference, and difference means, we know difference means a negative sign. So this point will have a difference. This between these 2 points there will be some difference, and this difference is what we call as voltage. And voltage is denoted by V, current is denoted by I. Current is denoted by I, voltage is denoted by V, and the unit of voltage is volts. Okay, so the unit of voltage is volts. So next concept is charge. What is charge? The physical property of a matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field is called as charge. Charge consists of a positive and a negative element. We say it a positive charge and a negative charge. Positive and negative electron, negative electron. So when it is placed in a magnetic field, it experienced a force, that is a pull force. It is called as a charge. For example, if this is a magnet, it will have some magnetic field around it, right? And if we put some element with charge Q, then let's consider electron E, then this will pull the electron towards it. That is, we call that as charge, and charge is denoted by Q. The unit of charge is coulomb. Okay, and 1 coulomb means 1 ampere into seconds. Okay, because charge is a force experienced in an electromagnetic field. Then what is 1 volt? 1 volt is J by Q. J means joule, joule means energy. So the energy required to shift the charge upon charge shifted is called as 1 volt. Okay, so further we will learn about power. Okay, so this is important. Power, so power is the ability or capacity to do something. This is a normal power, a definition. Like, what is power? Ability or capacity to do work is called as power. Like, power can be a mechanical, electrical. So we will today learn about electric power. Okay, the power which is flowed in circuit is called as electric power. So what is electric power? The rate at which electrical energy is transferred within the circuit. Okay, so what is power? Simply we can say is voltage into current. Okay, so this is what the energy rate at which electrical energy is transferred within the circuit, and it is the unit of power is watt. So how this watt came? Okay, so volt means 1 watt. We will say 1 watt is, what is unit of volt? Voltage is volt. Okay, so volt into ampere. So that's why when you will see in transformer, rating are not given in watt. Okay, so it is given in kVA. Okay, that is kilovolt ampere. So it is given in volt ampere rather than giving in watt. uh, there is a reason behind giving a rating of transformer in kVA. I will explain that in further lecture. So further we will learn what is resistance. So resistance means opposition to the flow of current. Okay, so opposition to the flow of current is called as resistance, and it is important. And the element which provide resistance is called as resistor, and we denote resistor in this symbol. Okay, whenever you see this symbol, it denotes resistor and it is given by unit ohms. Okay, so this is how resistor is denoted, and this is the unit of resistance, not resistor. Okay, this is resistance. Resistance means opposition to the flow of current. Okay, what is meant by opposition to the flow of current? For example, if a 10 ampere current is flowing through a circuit, okay, amperes, 10 amperes, because unit of current is amperes. Okay, so 10 amperes current is flowing through this circuit having some resistance, not resistor. It is, this element is resistor, this is resistance. Okay, listen carefully. So if 10 ampere current is flowing through this resistor, then it will have some resistance and it will oppose some current to flow, and we will get output as 9 amperes. Okay, so this is what we call as resistance. Topic we are going to learn today is capacitance and inductance. We have learned resistance. What is resistance? Resistance is a flow of opposition to the flow of current. Okay, so capacitance is denoted by C. Okay, C, its unit is F, that is farad. Okay, the unit of capacitance is farad. The unit of inductance is H, that is Henry, and it is denoted by L. Okay, so inductance is denoted by L, its unit is Henry. Capacitance is denoted by C, its unit is farad. Okay, so these are two important concepts we are going to learn today, and these are the last concepts we are going to learn in today's lecture. So what is capacitance? Capacitance is the ability of a material to store a charge. Okay, so there are different elements to store a charge, and capacitance is the ability of a material. Okay, and the material which is used to store a charge is called a capacitor. Inductance is denoted by this symbol. Okay, sometimes we say this as coil also. So this is what inductor is represented by, and then capacitor is represented by this. So it will charge, store positive as well as a negative charge. So this is capacitor denoted by symbol C, and its unit is F. Okay, thank you. That's all for today's lecture. In next lecture we will learn further different concepts of physics.